Welcome to Pass for Future. In this video, we will go through some of the most common Apex errors and debugging questions that frequently appear in the Salesforce Certified Platform Developer exam. These questions are designed to test your understanding of exception handling, debugging techniques, and Apex logic. Practice these carefully to strengthen your concepts and improve your exam readiness with real exam-style scenarios. Question number 1. What happens if a DML operation fails and no try-catch block is used in Apex? A. The transaction continues. B. The operation is ignored. C. An unhandled exception is thrown. D. The records are partially saved. Correct answer, C. An unhandled exception is thrown. Explanation. If a DML operation fails and is not enclosed in a try-catch block, Apex throws an unhandled exception. This causes the entire transaction to roll back. No partial commit occurs, ensuring data integrity. Developers must handle such exceptions using proper error handling techniques to avoid runtime failures and unexpected application behavior. Question number 2. Which method is used to retrieve debug logs in Salesforce? A. System.debug. B. Log.getLogs. C. Debug.logViewer. D. Trace.getLogs. Correct answer, A. System.debug. Explanation: System.debug is used in Apex to print messages in debug logs. It helps developers track variable values, execution flow, and troubleshoot issues. These logs are visible in the Developer Console or Debug Logs section. It is one of the primary tools for debugging Apex code during development and testing. Question number 3. What exception type is thrown when a null object is accessed in Apex? A. DML exception. B. Null pointer exception. C. Query exception. D. Limit exception. Correct answer, B. Null pointer exception. Explanation. A null pointer exception occurs when code attempts to access or reference an object that has not been initialized. This is a common runtime error in Apex. Proper null checks should be implemented before accessing object properties or methods to prevent this exception and ensure stable code execution. Question number 4. Which statement is true about SOQL queries in Apex? A. They always return a single record. B. They can return multiple records in a list. C. They cannot be used inside loops. D. They are not allowed in Apex. Correct answer, B. They can return multiple records in a list. Explanation. SOQL queries in Apex are used to retrieve records from Salesforce and typically return results in a list. Developers must handle multiple records properly. Although SOQL can be used inside loops, it is not recommended due to governor limits. Efficient query design is essential for scalable and optimized Apex code. Question number 5. What is the purpose of try-catch blocks in Apex? A. To improve performance. B. To handle exceptions gracefully. C. To execute DML operations faster. D. To store debug logs. Correct answer, B. To handle exceptions gracefully. Explanation. Try-catch blocks are used in Apex to handle runtime exceptions and prevent application crashes. Code inside the try block is monitored for errors, and the catch block handles any exceptions that occur. This allows developers to manage errors, display meaningful messages, and maintain smooth execution without breaking the user experience. These Apex errors and debugging scenarios are frequently tested in the Salesforce Certified Platform Developer Plat-Dev 201 exam. Understanding how exceptions work, how to debug effectively, and how Apex handles queries and DML operations is essential for success. Keep practicing similar questions to strengthen your concepts and build confidence. For more full-length practice tests and exam preparation resources, explore Pass for Future and continue your journey towards certification success. If you found these Plat-Dev 201 exam questions helpful, subscribe to Aiden Clark Learn for more real exam-style Plat-Dev 201 practice questions and detailed explanations. Like this video, share it with fellow learners, and stay consistent with your preparation. Your certification success starts with consistent practice, so keep learning, keep practicing, and move one step closer to passing your Salesforce Platform Developer exam.